Hello there, birthday fans. There was recently a birthday that I didn't get to attend, but I did get a piece of the birthday cake. So here's what it looks like, and I'll have a taste of it and check it out. I'm going to get some of that frosting in the middle there, and there's frosting on the top as well. But tastes as good as it looks. Get a little bit off the top. Same thing. And with chocolate cake, there's a lot of chocolate. So, as long as I got my ice cream handy here, I don't know if I should use that little desk thing so the cake doesn't fall. Well, I can do this one-handed. Ice cream's getting a little bit cooler, so I'll just pop a little on there and check it out. Here we are. We love these trays around here. We got a whole pile of them from what was that, a street vending, a street rummage sale or something?
Yeah.
It was like a little highway thing. On both sides there were booths and selling everything. And these, they kind of gave us a bunch of these, and we're using them for all kinds of purposes, not necessarily the intended purpose, but the point is they come in handy, as like right now. So I'm going to try for my a little bit of ice cream here and a little bit more of that frosting stuff in the middle. I think the ice cream, I'll get a little more ice cream on there. Can do that. There you go. This is outstanding. The vanilla ice cream kind of offsets some of the chocolate taste. So it's not 100% chocolate anymore, but either way, even if it was all chocolate or chocolate with vanilla, it's pretty good. Don't get this all the time. People only have birthdays once a year, so I guess you gotta go and get things when it happens and when it's available. There again, more vanilla ice cream. More frosting here on the front. You can see that little red thing, that red trim on the front there. So, get some of that. Get a little bit of the frosting in the middle, and we'll add some more vanilla. I'm doing this one-handed. The ice cream's starting to thaw out, so it's working out pretty good. Okay, so there's your ice cream. If you're the type of person or you know anybody that likes to experience their thrills vicariously, well, they can vicariously all they want. They can watch me eat the vanilla ice cream, the frosting in the middle, the chocolate cake, and that red trim on the top, all in one spoon, one forkful here. So there it is. You can watch me eat the ice cream and the cake and have fun, and you don't have to experience the unhealthy eating. You can just, as I say, experience your thrills vicariously.